Hello! Right, today we've got a little job to do. Today I'm going to be replacing this sealant along the window. You can see all this lot here is missing and this bit here is totally gone. There's a reason for this, and it's not just this window. I've got a bedroom window and a living room window which has gone the same way. So I'll show you the reason why it's gone like this. Take a look at this. And here's the culprit. Little Tommy. The secret window sealant puller outerer. Yeah, little Tommy, what have you been doing? Yeah, little Tommy. Right then, yeah, so the first thing we need to do, we need to get rid of this old sealant. And if I cut it off down here, I think, if I can get to it. Get rid of the whole sealant. Right, that's the old sealant removed, cleaned up and dried. And this is what we're going to be putting on there. What I bought was these rolls of caulking tape. I got these from Temu, and I bought 5 rolls, and they were only about, well, just over 50 pence each. So yeah, I got 5 of them. They're I think 2.2 centimeters wide by 3.3 meters long. Yes, it's probably, I've got getting on for 10 foot, isn't it? But yeah, I mean, I have used caulking tape before, the wider one. It seemed a lot thicker than this, but it is quite thin, but it should do the job. Should be okay. Should work out okay. But we need to measure the length, how much we're going to need. So first I'll cut that to length and we'll go from there. Okay, so that's it cut to length. Probably be easier for me to start at this end, and then if it's too long or stretches while I'm putting it down, I can trim at the other end. So it's got a backing tape on it, so if we start to pull that off, let's move the camera a little bit so you can see. And I don't know, probably about 6 inches, and then start right in the corner and press it in into the crease, because it's creased, the tape is. And as we move along, pull the backing tape off, pressing that crease firmly into the join. Pulling the tape off as we go. I mean, we can move it. It doesn't set solid straight away or anything like that, so we can slide it around later once we get it into place. keep pressing it right in. So we want that crease to form the angle, and we need to make sure it's pressed in. That's the main thing. Keep it pressed down. What I will do, I'll just run something along here. Let me just get something to make sure it's pushed right in. Okay, so I've got an old credit card which I can make sure it's seated correctly. And do it all the way along. I'm just going to have to trim that end up just a touch. Yeah, it's quite a tidy job, so we'll just have to see now if little Tommy leaves it alone. He only needs to find a little piece and he'll start pulling. But yeah, I've got to do the living room and the bedroom because he has attacked those as well. But yeah, should be good. So that's a good price too, isn't it? 50p. 50p a roll. 10 foot. 10 foot. So it's big enough for most windows. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, thanks for watching.